Hi boys and girls, Miss Tsang here. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a little unicorn out of a toilet roll. So here's my unicorn. It's got rainbow hair. It's got its little horn. It's also got some rainbow string as its tail. And all you'll be needing today is a toilet roll, some sticky tape or glue. It's not as messy if you use sticky tape. Some coloured textas or coloured pencils and some string. Now if you don't have any string for the hair, you can also use strips of paper. So there it is. Oh, and also you'll need a pair of scissors. So first of all, you need to get your toilet roll and flatten it so it's no longer a cylinder. And we are going to draw on one side the shape that we need to cut out. So here. Okay, so what I've done is drawn a big L shape here. So it looks like that bit is going to be its neck, and that's the back of the unicorn. Next, you'll need to draw the middle part where its legs need to be. Okay, so you'll need to then draw a bit of a circle in there and also there and there. Now have a quick look. There you go. Have a go at drawing that on your flattened toilet roll. And then you'll need to grab your pair of scissors, and this bit you have to be really careful, and you need to just cut out the parts on the line. You see that? Miss Tsang's cut that bit out. I might turn it around so it's easier for me to cut. Okay, so on the line. There I go. There we go. So now there's the neck and the front leg. Then I need to cut the middle bit out. Okay. So we don't need this bit anymore. Now we have one last bit to cut out, which is there. I'm just going to turn it around so it's easier for me to hold the scissors. Okay. There we go. Can you see now? Oh. Now when I open it up, can you see now I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 legs and also a neck. All right, now don't throw the other piece out, the piece that was the back. What you need to do is open it up, and we're going to use this bit to draw the unicorn's head. Okay, so what I've drawn here is the head, its 2 ears, and also its horn. And if you have a different color texture, you can go ahead and color the horn in the middle there. I'm going to color it purple. You can also color it in yellow and other colors. Then I'm going to use my black texture. I'm going to draw its eyes there and its nose. There we go. So its horn, its ears, its eyes, and its nose. Then I'm going to use my scissors and I'm going to cut the unicorn's head out. Okay, be very careful when you cut its head. So I've cut that bit out. Now I'm going to cut this bit. Okay. Oh, very careful when you cut this. There we go. You see, Miss Tsang's cutting is not perfect, but that's okay. You can always go and fix it up. The next step is you need to get the body that you've cut before, and you need to use a bit of sticky tape. Here I have my sticky tape. You have the head, turn it around to the side where it's white, and you put the neck there, and you are going to put the sticky tape right there and stick the back on. You might need an additional piece of tape to tape it down this way, down its neck, so it stays on properly. Now, if you don't have any string, you have a perfect little unicorn there, and you can always go and color it in and add some patterns onto your unicorn. But if you've got some string, cut some out, tie a knot there, and that's going to be its tail. Again, I need a piece of sticky tape, and I've got my tail. I'm going to put the tape there, and I'm going to go ahead and stick this on the back of the unicorn. And there is his tail. Now I just need to get my string again. I've got my piece of string. I'm just going to measure out a bit. I think that's enough. So I'm going to cut that there. Cut the top. You get another piece of sticky tape. Put the sticky tape onto the top of the string like this. And then I'm going to get the back of the unicorn. And this time I'm going to stick the hair like this onto the back. And then I turn its head around and I can just put its hair like this. And there you go. You've got a unicorn with a rainbow tail and hair. I've got two. Good luck!